Dear people of Belarus, dear friends in Belarus, my name is Andrius Kubilius. I am member for European Parliament from Lithuania, from Vilnius. I stood up here to say a few words of solidarity with Belarusian people who are demanding real change in Belarus. I am standing here together with all European People's Party family to demand President Lukashenko to listen to his own people who really have a lot of reasons to demand such a change. And I urge President Lukashenko to let out from jail his concurrents, his competitors in elections like Babariko and Tikhonovsky, and also one of the leaders of opposition, Pavel Severinets. I would urge people of Belarus not to be afraid. We are together with all of you, and we really would like to see that change to happen in Belarus. And I would like to say a few words in Russian language also. Дорогие друзья в Беларуси, мое имя Andrius Kubilius. Я являюсь членом Европейского парламента, и я хочу выразить нашу общую солидарность, солидарность всей Европейской народной партии с вами, теми, которые боретесь за перемены в Беларуси. Вся Европейская народная партия требует, чтобы президент Лукашенко услышал ваш призыв к переменам, и чтобы президент Лукашенко перестал бы преследовать всю оппозицию и своих конкурентов в президентских выборах. Беларусь имеет право на перемены, и мы всегда будем поддерживать Беларусь на этой дороге. Живя Беларусь!